Building off of what we've learned how to do in class, I've created a program that can create a large number of text files all at once and place them on a desktop. The way it accomplishes that is first by creating a list of file names, reading in each one of those file names one at a time, and printing a short line of text to each one. When it reads in a file name that doesn't exist and prints something to it, it'll go ahead and create a file with the name that it just read in. And that's really how we make all of these files, is by printing a message to a file that doesn't yet exist. To make that happen, we need a few things. First, we need a blank text file to store our list of files that we will generate. We need a scanner to read in that list of files that we're going to make. And then we will need a print stream to both print out the list of files that we're going to make and then print a short line of text to each one of those files after they're read in one at a time. So moving down here into our first try block, we just initialize our scanner and our output stream to the file list.txt. Then we have a for loop. This is where we create, we have it set to 249 unique text file names. So each time this for loop runs, we are going to use the print stream to print to file list.txt the following text here. And this I being concatenated in there is very important because that will increase in value each time the for loop is run, which will give each line of text that is printed a unique file name, not the same one over and over. After that, we go down to our while loop here, and this is the part where we read in each one of these file names, print one line of text to it, and then move on to the next one. So the way that happens is our while loop will run the same number of times as there are lines of text in whatever file the scanner is looking at, and the scanner up here is set to look at the file list.txt. The first thing it'll do is it'll tell the print stream your new destination is whatever the scanner reads in for its next line. Normally you could just type an actual file name in here, but instead we've put the input of whatever the scanner's next line is, which is just going to be a list of these. So after, at the beginning of each loop, it's been given its new file output destination, it's just going to print one line of text to that file, and then it's going to move on and do the whole thing over again. So let's see this in action here. Let's go ahead and run our program. Well, first, there's my nice clean desktop. I really hope nothing happens to that. We run our program. We go over to file list.txt. We can see our for loop has worked properly, and it's created a unique file name on each line over and over, going all the way up to 248 here. And if our while loop worked properly, it will have assigned the output stream to this here, printed one line of text, and then moved on to assigning the output stream to the next line, printed one line of text to it, creating each one of these files when a line of text is printed to them. Let's take a look at the desktop and we can see that it's been thoroughly destroyed. Thanks for watching.